Whirlpool presents WDE range of refrigerators. The WDE range comes in 3 variants. The Classic with wire shelves, which is available in 2-star and 3-star energy ratings, and the Classic Plus and Roy with toughened glass shelves, which are available in 3-star and 4-star energy ratings. Powered by insulated capillary technology, these refrigerators retain cooling for up to 9 hours during long power cuts. These Whirlpool refrigerators ensure optimum moisture retention with honeycomb lock-in technology that makes fruits and vegetables remain fresh for a longer duration. The Auto Connect to Home Inverter helps to connect your refrigerator to the home inverter automatically every time the power goes off, thus delivering consistent cooling and maintaining long-lasting freshness. The 4-star rated products are powered by IntelliSense inverter technology and come with 25 years of reliability on compressors, certified by VDE Germany. The energy-efficient WDE refrigerators ensure less energy consumption. With a wide voltage range of 95 volt to 300 volts, these refrigerators can easily operate without a stabilizer. These WDE refrigerators feature spacious storage, sturdy and durable door bins for easy storage of up to 3 2-liter bottles to cater to your everyday needs. Our products also come with a base stand variant which can be used for the storage of dried food items such as onions, potatoes, etc. This range of refrigerators come with a warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For further information, visit the product page.
LG presents a 190-liter 5-star direct-cool single-door refrigerator. It features toughened glass shelves capable of holding heavy food items. It has a lattice-type box cover that maintains moisture at an optimum level when moisture from stored food is evaporated. The antibacterial gasket keeps food fresh and healthy. The LG Direct Cool refrigerator makes ice faster. The Smart Connect technology helps you connect your refrigerator to home inverter in case of power cuts. Smart Inverter Compressor is designed to give unmatched performance, great savings, super silent operation and stabilizer-free operation. It can efficiently operate even under high voltage fluctuations from 90 to 310 volts. This refrigerator comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 10 years on the compressor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Bring home a new refrigerator that is smart and energy efficient. Presenting highest range of direct cool single door refrigerator, available in 190, 195 and 220 liter capacity with 3 stars and 4-star ISEER rating. Available in vibrant patterns and solid colors with a glossy finish. Don't wait any longer than 60 minutes for ice cubes. The 1-hour icing technology of this refrigerator ensures faster ice formation along with super fast cooling. Its strong and direct cooling airflow inside the unit helps keep your food fresh for longer. The LED light inbuilt in the unit makes it look more beautiful. It comes with 3 durable and toughened glass shelves. These are strong enough to withstand the weight of the heavy pots and pans too. The large vegetable box is used to store your veggies and greens. The humidity controller keeps them crisp and fresh for longer. The unit also has 4 door shelves with bottle guards bottles for storing PEP water bottles or soft drink cans. What's more is that the freezer section gives you an extra chiller room. This DC refrigerator has a thick PUF insulation that helps cool the contents faster and retain low temperatures for better cooling. It is built with a heavy-duty compressor, giving you the highest cooling performance. Higher stylish and smart DC refrigerators do not need a stabilizer for optimum operation, as it can function even at a lower power voltage of 130 volts. Available with a 1-year warranty on product and 10 years warranty on compressor. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.
The smart way to keep your food fresh longer. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator. It comes in 11 different colorways: Elegant Inox, Pebble Blue, Saffron Red, Saffron Blue, Starflower Red, Starflower Blue, Mystic Overlay Red, Mystic Overlay Blue, Camellia Purple, Lux Gold, and Lux Purple. It is available in 192 liters, 212 liters and 230 liters. And it is 3-star, 4-star rated for energy saving. It features stylish design, stabilizer-free operation, smart connect inverter and big bottle guard. The softly curved, round top shape and unique grand door design add a sleek and stylish look to your kitchen. Its inbuilt stabilizer-free operation protects your refrigerator by preventing electrical damage or shorting from voltage fluctuations. The Smart Connect Inverter enables the refrigerator to run on home inverters during power cuts. What you get is significant amount of energy savings, along with long-lasting freshness. Samsung found a new power source, solar energy. Samsung's range of Solar Connect refrigerators is powered by solar energy and runs on solar energy. It lets you save money while protecting the environment. Its big bottle guards on the door are ideal for the thirsty household. They provide easily accessible storage space for large bottles. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Direct Cool Refrigerator.